Hello and welcome back. For those with coffee shops, many of you have been asking me how about making hot drinks using large cup. This is a Grande size, 500 milliliters or 16 ounces. To be honest, not very many coffee shops would offer cup sizes like this. So no matter how hard I look, I could only find Starbucks paper cups in 16 ounces. Today I'm going to make 3 hot espresso drinks: Americano, Latte, and white chocolate mocha. For today's recipes, I'm going to use a premium blend of coffee beans. It's called Raisin, 100% Arabica, single origin from Chiangrai, northern Thailand, courtesy of Arabia Coffee Roasters. Very premium. Just for information, 1 kilogram of these coffee beans costs $130. Absolutely mind-blowing taste and aroma. For my milk-based drinks, I'm going to use full cream milk, chilled. What I would use for 16 ounces hot coffee would be quite a lot of coffee beans. For hot 16 ounces drinks, what I normally use is 20 grams of coffee, and I'm going to pull a Lungo. I'm going to pull 80 grams of espresso. Let's start making Americano in 16 ounces cup. Just to make it easier for you to see how this is done, I'm going to pull my espresso shots for my Americano using 2 separate shot glass. So I'm going to use a double basket, double spout here, just so that you can see how these are pulled. We need 20 grams of espresso grind coffee. This blend of coffee beans is light roast, fruity with sweet, astringent taste, with an aroma of fermented raisin and chocolate. Now, because the filter basket is rather full, tamp lightly, since we are aiming for the perfect shots pulled within 30 to 35 seconds for this Lungo shots. We are going to pull 80 grams or 80 ml of espresso shots. Americano is just water and espresso. Fill the cup with 10 ounces or 300 ml of water. My espresso machine is programmed to dispense 5 ounces each time. So I am pulling 2 rounds of 5 ounces each, making it 10 ounces or 300 ml of hot water. For better presentation, pour the espresso shots over your hot water to create a layer of crema on top. Add sugar if preferred. Next, let's make a latte. Again, we need 20 grams of espresso grind coffee. Pull 2 espresso shots of 40 grams each. For the milk, use a 600 ml steaming pitcher to make sure you have enough for the large 500 ml cup. Pour the espresso shots into your serving cups and then the milk over. If you have a larger steaming pitcher, it might be easier to make some form of latte art when pouring the steamed milk. Well, that's my excuse anyway. Finally, white chocolate mocha. The same coffee to water ratio. 20 grams of espresso grind coffee, and 2 Lungo shots of 40 grams each. Put 3 pumps of white chocolate syrup into your serving cup. I'm using a local brand here. 3 pumps is about 22 milliliters. Add the espresso shots. Give it a light swirl to mix the espresso and the syrup, and finish it off with steamed milk. I would like to add a macchiato style on top with a dollop of milk foam, and then decorate using a latte pen. White chocolate mocha in 16-ounce cup. Now, dare I try it? It probably will be so strong for me. Well, I prefer them really small, so I like my piccolo latte or even my flat white. So let me try my latte. Wow, that is not bad at all, even though it's such a large size. I am happy with this. Quite delicious, I must say. So there you go. If you are craving for a lot of coffee, you can order them in Grande size or 500 ml, and this is the recipe that you could try. If you have a coffee shop or if you are wanting to do this at home, follow the recipe here and you should be happy with the results. I am. I do have other videos on how to make hot espresso drinks using 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 12 ounces, and now for 16 ounces. If I go the 20 or 20 ounces, I think that would be way too much. But I do have other recipes for you for iced drinks, and I'm going to show you a different way of making my 22 ounces or 20 cups for iced coffee drinks. So stay tuned for that and more recipes on this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, do click that subscribe button, and also stay tuned, stay safe. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.